Now that we've mastered the art of creating leads in Storm & Cloud, we're going to look at a few more other advanced features. Here we have a lead, Elliot Smith. We've quoted him for a gun locker for $60, but unfortunately we don't have any available at the moment. We should have some become available in the future, so we're going to add Elliot to our waitlist. Under the Actions menu, click Add to Waitlist. The waiting list can be viewed and accessed from anywhere in Storm & Cloud, under the Quick Links menu. Here you'll see we have two leads that are waiting. Elliot Smith's at the top. This screen shows the date and time that he was entered into Stormin, as well as his email address and phone number, and the expected move-in date. You can see that he's waiting for a gun locker, and we don't have any vacant available at the moment. Elliot is going to remain on the waiting list until we either remove him from the list or someone moves out of one of our gun lockers. When we process a move out for a gun locker, Stormin's going to pop up the waiting list and show us that someone is waiting for that unit. A few days later, we've just moved out Nick from one of our gun lockers. Stormin has automatically displayed the waiting list to us, and we can see that Elliot is still waiting for one. Now the Any Vacant option shows green. We have one available. Clicking on Elliot's name will open up Elliot in a new tab, and we can now convert him to a reservation. Under the Actions menu, we're going to click Convert to Reservation. In this screen, using the drop-down menu, we need to select the unit that we'll be reserving for Elliot. Click Convert to Reservation to create the reservation. When we initially quoted Elliot, we quoted him for $60. This quote price has come across to the reservation, and he's reserved this unit at $60. Now that Elliot is a reservation, you'll notice we have a few more tabs along the top. The first thing we're going to do is go to his transaction screen. For each of our reservations, we charge a deposit. Click on the Add Charge button. In this screen, select the drop-down. Find the deposit, and click Save. Elliot's paid for this by cash, so we're going to add a receipt. We're also going to email him a copy of an invoice for this deposit. Click the Generate Invoice button and either print or email. When you're ready, click Send. Now that that's out of the way, we're going to fill in the rest of his details for his reservation. Click on the Customer tab, and you'll notice we have a lot more information to capture than when he was a lead. We're entering all of his phone numbers and all of the additional information that are required using our custom fields. That was all of our primary customer information. Now if we scroll down, we can either enter the alternate contact person for Elliot, or if Elliot is sharing the space with someone, we can enter the details of the secondary customer. Fill in any of these details you need, and click Save. The Attachments tab can be used to upload any photos or documents against this customer. In this example, we require a photo of the gun that will be stored in the gun locker. Click on the Add Attachment button, click in the drop zone to navigate to your file, find your file and click Open. Enter a file name and select a file type and click OK. Click the Upload button to upload the document. This will store the photo against the customer. This can also be used for storage agreements, insurance agreements, privacy policies, or any other documents that you need to keep copies of.